Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to unlock your TikTok account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated the TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your TikTok application. And as you open up your TikTok application, so then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. As you do that, on the other page, you will be directed into profile page. Over here, you'll have to tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. And once you do that, from the drop down menu, tap on settings and privacy. Next page on the settings and privacy, scroll down and then look for support and report and then tap on report a problem. After you tap on report a problem, next you can see there is topic. So under it there is account and profile, so then tap on it. On the other page, you'll have to select a topic, so you can see there are a list of options. So from here you'll have to tap on login. After you tap on it, the page expands and from here you'll have to tap on suspended account, which is on the third step. Next page there is a statement, so make sure to go through it and then tap on no. Next you'll have to tap on need more help, which is in the bottom left corner. On the other page you'll have to submit a report. Now what you have to do is you'll have to provide a reason why your account was locked. So along with that you'll have to provide your username as well. After you're done typing in your report, so then tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. So after that, what you have to do is you'll have to wait patiently for them to look into your matter. So it might take some time to unlock your account, so all you have to do is wait patiently. So that is how you can unlock your TikTok account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.